A few showers across northern and western areas, but for most of us, it's going to be a dry day with some sunshine. However, the cloud will thicken and some rain will arrive in the southwest later, and the wind will strengthen across southern areas. I'll have all the details in about 10 minutes.
Good morning.
I'm relieved. Good morning, everybody. This morning is not a particularly cold start to the day, you know, if you're just stepping out. And for most of us, it's going to be drier than it was yesterday. Having said that, there are some showers, particularly in the north and west, also windy here. And then we'll see the cloud thicken and some rain arrive in the southwest later on. So you can see the cloud that we currently have, but it's this band I want to draw your attention to. This is an area of low pressure. It's a potent one. It's got two fronts around it. That's what's going to bring us the rain. But first thing this morning, a lot of dry weather, some high cloud, some sunshine. The showers continuing across the north and west of Scotland. We could see one of them coming in on the wind, for example, across parts of northwest England. But it's through the afternoon the cloud gathers, the wind strengthens and the rain comes in across the southwest of England and South Wales. For the rest of us, if you've had some showers this morning in Northern Ireland and Wales, many of them will fade. A lot of dry weather too across Scotland, away from the north and west. And these are our temperatures, 11 to 16 degrees. Now, as we head on through the evening and overnight, watch what happens, because our first front comes through, and this is going to bring with it not just gusty winds, but also some heavy rain, particularly so continues to drift northwards and eastwards. So here's the first front, here's the second one. As you can see, it's not going to be particularly cold, but under clear skies further north, it will be that bit cooler. We could also see some patchy mist and fog here. So tomorrow, the first band of rain clears fairly quickly, and then we've got the second one sinking southwards. And as it moves away, it will leave some residual cloud behind it across East Anglia. Still some showers across the north and west, but in between, some sunshine. I'll have more details in half an hour, Lou and Dan. Good morning. Today is going to be much drier for most of us than it was yesterday. There'll be some sunshine around. We do have some showers across the north and west though, and gusty winds, and later more rain and stronger winds coming in across the southwest. I'll have all the details in about 10 minutes. Good morning. Very apt weather for today and very apt song as well. Today is going to be much drier, brighter. There's some sunshine. Clear skies in London at the moment, as there are across other parts of the UK. But away, that rain coming in across the southwest of England later on, and currently we do have some showers, particularly so across the north and west of Scotland, a few of those getting in across Northern Ireland and Northern England, but a lot of dry weather, gusty winds across parts of Scotland, and then through the afternoon the cloud will thicken across Wales and the southwest of England, heralding the arrival of this next band of rain. And here too the wind is going to strengthen. Temperatures 11 to 16 degrees. So if we take a look at that rain, it is going to be heavy as it moves across us during the course of the evening and overnight, sweeping in from the southwest across Wales and also southwest England. But look at all the dry weather, look at all the sunshine we're looking at. With a ridge of high pressure across us, it will kill off the showers in Northern Ireland and Northern England, but we'll hang on to them across the north and west of Scotland, where shine. So here comes the first band of rain, bringing heavy rain to Wales, the North Midlands, for example, and it's going to be pushing steadily east through the course of the night. For northern Scotland, under clear skies, we'll see some patchy mist and fog. Here it will be cooler, but still mild further south. Dan and Lou. That's right, Lou. Yes, good morning, everybody. It is a beautiful picture sent in by Neil, one of our weather watchers in Staffordshire. Now, today, many of us are starting off with some beautiful sunrises, or have started off with them, and it's a relatively dry and bright start for many. But we do have some showers in the forecast, and then we've got some heavier rain coming our way later on. And you can see that quite nicely on this satellite picture. If we follow this all the way back into the Atlantic, this is an area of low pressure. It's got two weather fronts, and they are both coming our way later today and tonight, and for a time tomorrow as well. So first thing this morning, a lot of dry weather, some sunny skies. We've still got some showers and gusty winds across the north and west of Scotland. The showers in Northern Ireland and Northern England will tend to peter out through the day, but you can see the cloud building across the southwestern quarter, heralding the arrival of that rain. As we travel further north, a lot of dry weather, a lot of sunshine, but still the showers persist in the far north. Temperatures today, well, we're looking at 11 in the far north of Scotland to 16 in the far southeast of England. So if we pick up this area of low pressure with its two fronts, bringing all this rain and strengthening winds across southern and some western areas, There it goes, moving west to east. So we'll see some heavy dollops of rain across Wales, the North Midlands, and also northern England. Murky conditions on the other side of it, but mild. On the north of it, well, we'll have some clear skies, some patchy mist and fog forming, and it will feel much cooler. So tomorrow we quickly lose the first band of rain, but we still have the second one, which is sinking southwards. And behind that, as it clears, it will leave some residual cloud, particularly so across Lincolnshire and East Anglia. But it will also brighten up with some brighter sunny skies coming our way and still some showers across the north and the west. The winds easing a touch. Top temperatures tomorrow, 17 degrees. By the time we get to Friday, though, another system coming in from the west is going to be pushing southeastwards, so it's going to be a wet afternoon across England and also Wales, but we still will have some showers across Northern Ireland and northern and western Scotland. In between, something brighter. Temperature-wise, 9 in the north to 15 in the south. Then as we head into the weekend, we've got this ridge of high pressure building across us. The wind subtly changes to more of a northerly. That is a cool direction for us. And although the weather will settle down for most, because of that wind direction, we're likely to see some showers coming in across northern Scotland and eastern areas as well. So temperature-wise, we're looking at 11 to about 14 at best. That's a bit of a come down compared to the 17 we're going to see today, for example. But the compensatory thing is at least it will settle down. And it looks like that high pressure will be with us into the early part of next week as well. So a break from all this rain after later today, tonight and tomorrow.
Okay. So you know me.
Absolutely beautiful. All the reds, the oranges, the yellows, just gorgeous.
And my question to you, Carol, is the
Here,
Fratellis...
We're in their band.
Carol, you're brilliant.
Most of us today with some sunshine. There are some showers, however, in the north and west and gusty winds. And later we'll see stronger winds and some rain move in across the southwest. I'll have all the details in about 10 minutes. Good morning, everybody. Yes, indeed, this is a lovely weather watcher's picture taken in Midlothian this morning. You can see some blue skies, and for many of us today, it is going to be a drier day than it was yesterday. Lovely bright start, some sunshine. We do have some showers, however, but later we're going to see some rain, and later still some heavy rain. Now, we've got the showers peppering the north and the west of Scotland currently. Gusty winds here. Showers across northern England and Northern Ireland should tend to fade. And then, as you can see, a lot of dry weather in the charts, but the cloud building out towards the west, heralding the arrival of this rain. And the wind will also start to strengthen too. Temperatures 11 to 17 degrees. So if you're heading out later on this afternoon, this is what you can expect. A lot of dry weather, a lot of sunshine through Kent, East Anglia, the Midlands, but we've got the cloud building with the rain coming in across southwest England and Wales. A lot of sunshine too across Northern Ireland, Northern England and much of Scotland, but still the showers peppering the north and the west, and still quite gusty winds actually here as well. Through this evening and overnight, though, the rain really gathers speed. The wind strengthens, very strong gusts, as it moves across England and Wales, Northern Ireland and southern Scotland. Some particularly heavy bursts across Northern England, Wales and parts of the Midlands. So under all of this, there'll be a lot of murky conditions to the north of it, though clear skies, some patchy mist and fog, and feeling much cooler. I'll have a lot more detail in half an hour. Dan and Lou.
She'll look forward to the detail.
Good morning both, good morning to you too. Some of us have got off to a beautiful start to the day, as you can see from this Weather Watchers picture taken earlier in Inverness. And for many of us today, it's going to be a drier day than it was yesterday. Brighter, but some of us have got some showers and there is rain on the cards later. And if we follow all this cloud in the satellite picture back out into the Atlantic, that is an area of low pressure. There are two weather fronts draped around it and they're both coming our way later on today, tonight, before clearing tomorrow. So a lot of dry weather this morning, fair bit of sunshine, the showers in Northern Ireland, Northern England continuing to fade away, and the showers across northern and western Scotland with gusty winds persisting. But through the day the cloud will build through Wales and the southwestern quarter of England, and then we'll start to see some rain and strengthening winds. Push north, we're looking at a lot of dry weather and still those showers, still quite gusty winds across parts of Scotland as well. Temperatures ranging from 11 in the north to 17 in the south. Now through this evening and overnight, the rain gathers speed as it moves from the west towards the east. Some heavy bursts across Wales, the North Midlands and also Northern England, and gusty winds with it. In the south, it'll be quite murky tonight, but mild. But to the north of that band of rain in the Highlands, it's going to be a cooler night under clear skies. Here too, we could see some patchy mist and fog form. So tomorrow we say goodbye quite quickly to the first band of rain. It clears into the North Sea. The second one sinks southwards, eventually clearing, leaving quite a bit of cloud in its wake, particularly so across Lincolnshire and East Anglia. But then things brighten up behind, although there will still be a peppering of showers across some northern and western areas. Temperatures tomorrow, well, ranging from 10 in the north to 17 in the south. We've got more rain coming our way on Friday, but then things will turn cooler, more settled and windy for the weekend with a few showers in the east. Dan and Lou.
Thank you.